Hello everyone. In today's session, I'll be solving another illustration on royalty account sublease. So, here is a problem. It has been given that Mansoor Limited patent is of a new type of electrical stoves. On 1/1/2010, issued license to Hanuman Traders for the manufacture and sale of stoves. On the same day, Hanuman Traders issued a sub-license to Lakshman Traders for the same purpose. The license provides for a royalty of rupees 10 per stove sold, subject to minimum rent of rupees 75,000 per annum, with the right to recoup short workings of any year within 2 subsequent years only. The sub-license provided a royalty of rupees 15 per stove manufactured, subject to a minimum rent of rupees 30,000 per annum, with the right to recoup the short workings of any year in the following year only. The information given are: in the year 2010, Hanuman Traders sale 5,000 units, Lakshman Traders 1,200 units. Again, closing stock of Lakshman Traders 400, 2011 6,000 sales, Hanuman Traders, Lakshman Traders 1,600 sales, closing stock of Lakshman Traders 600, 2012 7,000 units sales of Hanuman Traders. Next 2,700 units sold during 2012. Next 300 closing stock of Lakshman Traders. So we have to prepare necessary accounts in the books of Hanuman Traders. Let's see. So as per agreement, so royalty payable is, so license provides for a royalty of rupees 10 per stove sold as per first agreement, that is agreement between less and lesser. So sales units ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sales ನಾವು total sales ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5,000 plus 1,200 6,200 6,000 plus 1,600 7,600 7,000 plus 2,700 9,700. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ total sales ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ first agreement ಪ್ರಕಾರ. But as per second agreement, that is agreement between lessee and sublessee. So the sub-license provided a royalty of rupees 15 per stove manufactured. So but here they have given only sales and closing stock. So we have to find out stoves manufactured, right? So ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟವ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ಡ್. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟವ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್ಸ್, sales plus closing stock minus opening stock. So during 2010, total sales of Lakshman Traders 1,200, closing stock 400. Okay, opening stock nil. So total stoves manufactured 1,600, 2011 1,600 sales plus closing stock 600 minus opening stock, and previous year now closing stock illi opening stock. So 400 is equal to 1,800 stoves manufactured. During 2012, 2,700 sales plus closing stock 300 minus opening stock 600. That means previous year's closing stock. Okay, 600. So total stoves manufactured during 2012, 2,400. Next, we have to prepare table showing royalty payment agreement between Mansoor Limited and Hanuman Traders. That is agreement between, as per agreement between lesser and lessee. So during 2010, there is output of 6,200. ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 5,000 ಸ್ಟವ್ಸ್ sold during 2010. So by Hanuman Traders. So Lakshman Traders ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 1,200. So total 6,200. During 2011 7,600 total stoves sold. Next 2012, total stoves sold by Hanuman Traders and Lakshman Traders 9,700. Royalty rupees 10 per stove sold. Okay, so into 10, 6,200 into 10 62,000, 7,600 into 10 76,000, 9,700 into 10, 97,000. Minimum rent 75,000. So as per agreement, the minimum rent is 75,000. So write down 75,000. Next, short working 13,000. That is 75,000 minus 62,000. 13,000 short working. Short working recoup nil, return of nil. Cash paid 75,000. Next, royalty 76,000 is the minimum rent 75,000. So 1,000 excess available. So short working can be recouped. 1,000 can be recouped here. So short working return of nil 75,000, cash paid 76,000 minus 1,000, cash paid 75,000. Next 2012 97,000 royalty, 75,000 minimum rent. So there is excess available. So here excess available is 22,000, 97,000 minus 75,000. But short working ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 12,000. ಸೊ 13,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1,000 ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಗಿದಲ್ವ, ಈಗ 12,000 ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 12,000 ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಕೂಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು 12,000. ಸೊ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಿಲ್, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ 85,000. ಸೊ 97,000 minus 12,000, 85,000. Next, prepare table showing royalty payment, that is agreement between lessee and sublessee, Hanuman Traders and Lakshman Traders. So total stoves manufactured 1,600, 1,800 and 2,400. So write down here 1,600 stoves manufactured, 1,800 stoves manufactured, 2,400 stoves manufactured during 2012. Royalty. So rupees 15 per ಸ್ಟವ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಟು 15 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಈಗ. 1,600 into 15 24,000, 1,800 into 15 27,000, 2,400 into 15 36,000. Minimum rent as per agreement 30,000. Short working, there is short working of rupees 6,000 during 2010. Cash paid 30,000. During 2011 there is short working of 3,000. Short working recoup nil. So as per agreement, short working can be recouped in the following year only. So next year ಮಾತ್ರ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ next 2011 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವರು 2010 ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6,000. ಸೊ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ 2010 ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪೇಡ್ 30,000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2012 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 6,000 ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 3,000 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3,000 ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಿಲ್, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪೇಡ್ 33,000. 36,000 minus 3,000, 33,000. Okay, now let us prepare royalty payable account. So for royalty due, the entries royalty payable account debtor, short workings account debtor to lessers account, lesser Monsoon Limited. So royalty payable account debit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ to Monsoon Limited account 62,000 royalty payable. Okay, total 62,000. Next, for transfer of royalty to profit and loss account, the entry is profit and loss account debtor to royalty payable account. So on the credit side of royalty payable account by profit and loss account 62,000. Next, 2011 for royalty due, the entry is to Monsoon Limited account 76,000. 76,000 during 2011. So royalty by profit and loss account 76,000, total 76,000. Next, to Monsoon Limited account, that is for royalty due. So royalty ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ 97,000 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 97,000 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. by profit and loss account 97,000. Okay, royalty payable account prepare ಆದ ನಂತರ next short workings recoverable account prepare ಮಾಡಿ. So for royalty due again entry royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to lessers account. So on the debit side of short workings recoverable account to Monsoon Limited account 13,000. So short working 13,000. Total 13,000. By balance carried down 13,000. To balance brought down 13,000. Next 2011 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರೀಕೂಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ರೀಕೂಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರಿಕವರೇಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಾನ್ಸೂನ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 1000 ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ recouped. Total 13,000. By balance carried down 12,000. 13,000 minus 1,000. To balance brought down 12,000. Next, during 2012 there is a recoupment of short working of rupees 12,000. So by Mansoor Limited's account for recoupment of short working 12,000 amount to balance ಆಗ ಬರ್ತಿದಲ್ವ 12,000 ಈಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 12,000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ Mansoor Limited's account, that is lessers account. So for royalty due ಗೆ ಏನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು royalty account debtor, royalty payable account debtor, short workings recoverable account debtor to lessers account. So credit side of Mansoor Limited's account by royalty payable account 62,000, by short workings recoverable account 13,000 to bank account, that is for royalty paid to bank account 75,000 cash paid. Okay, so total 75,000. Next 2011 there is no short working. So by royalty payable account 76,000 to bank account 75,000, short working recouped 1,000. So to short workings recoverable account 1,000, total 76,000. Next by royalty payable account 2012 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ by royalty payable account 97,000 royalty, cash paid 85,000, short working recouped 12,000. So by royalty payable account 97,000 to bank account 85,000 to short working recoverable account 12,000, total 97,000. Okay, next we have to prepare royalty receivable account. So ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಲೆಸ್ಸಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್, ಸೊ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬೈ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಡ್ಯೂಗೆ ಸಬ್ ಲೆಸ್ಸೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು royalty receivable account. So credit side of royalty receivable account by sub lessee Lakshman Traders account 24,000 royalty. Okay, short working 6,000. So another short working allowable account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರೆಯುವ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 24,000. Next 2011 by Lakshman Traders account 27,000 royalty during 2011. Okay, so 27,000. Next for transfer of royalty to profit and loss account, to profit and loss account 27,000, total 27,000. Next again 2005 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ by Lakshman Traders account 36,000, royalty 36,000 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 36,000 to profit and loss account 36,000, total 36,000. Next prepare short working allowable account. ಸೊ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ allowable account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಡ್ಯೂಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು sub lessees account debtor to short workings account. So on credit side of short workings allowable account by Lakshman Traders account 6,000, short working 6,000. Okay, to balance 6,000, total 6,000. By balance brought down 6,000. Next by Lakshman Traders account 2011 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ 3,000 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 3,000. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 6,000. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ allowable account debtor to profit and loss account. To profit and loss account 6,000. Next, to balance carried down, that is reference 3,000. Okay, total 9,000, difference 3,000. By balance brought down 3,000. Next, short working recouped during 2012 3,000. So short working recoupment ಗೆ ಏನು entry ಬರುತ್ತೆ? To Lakshman Traders account 3,000. Total 3,000. Next, Lakshman Traders account, that is sub-lessee's account. So on debit side of Lakshman Traders account, to royalty receivable account 24,000. To short working sellable account 6,000. For receiving cash from Lakshman Traders, entries by bank account 30,000. 30,000 receive ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ sub-lessee ಇಂದ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 30,000. Total 30,000. To royalty receivable account 27,000. So for royalty due ಗೆ entry ಇದು. Short working ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ? To short working sellable account 3,000. So for receiving cash by bank account 30,000. 30,000 cash receive ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30,000. Okay, so 30,000 total. Next, to royalty receivable account ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? royalty 36,000. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್ಸ್ ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 36,000 ಬೈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 33,000, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪೇಡ್ 33,000. ಓಕೆ, by short working sellable account, the short working recouped. Okay, for recoupment of short working account entered to sub-lessee's account. So by short working sellable account 3,000, total 36,000.